morning, guys. How are you today? You guys know me. I'm calling myself LL because you will not remember my name. My name is Lavita. And I'm on Lampkin's Line. I want you to share. I want you to like. I want you to subscribe. And come on and be a part of my program because I am back. I was gone for a minute because I had other things that I needed to do. But I'm telling you, today is a day that I'm telling you I am back. And I really have a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to be sharing on my page. I'm going to be talking about all kinds of exciting things. I'm going to be putting a lot of things up about my crochets, about my hats and my scarves and everything like that. And you will love them. Like, this is just a little bitty one that I did just to have something to keep my head warm and stuff like that. But you're going to love those. I'm always going to make something that's going to really entice you to really come on. I make purses. I make leg warmers, like for all you guys who are up north where you have a whole lot of snow. You want those leg warmers because they keep your legs warm. A lot of people try to look all cute and stuff like that, but it's like, put that stuff on and going out and then you're warm versus being cold. And so I'm going to be putting all that stuff up. I'm going to be talking about stuff that just excite me. And then you guys know I love gardening. I have a garden that I actually do, but it's still winter. And what I'm going to be doing is putting a lot of stuff in my home at the back door where it'll start growing before it's really time. And then all I have to do is just take it out and put it in. And then I'm going to be moving my garden up some and be putting in a fence because that's something that needs to be done. And then the interesting thing is, guys, what you don't know is that I have a dog. I'm going to tell you, I said I didn't want a cat. I didn't want a dog. I didn't want a bird. I didn't want a fish. I didn't want any of that because those are things that you have to take care of. But they kind of tricked me a little bit. And so we got a dog in the house. And so, the youngest one really is enjoying that whole dog thing. But believe it or not, the dog thinks that I'm the owner. Because I guess maybe because he probably feels like, well, she's the person that's a part of this home. So I'm gonna go with her. So no matter what I say, no matter what I do, he does everything I say, everything I tell him what to do. If I say, okay, it's time to go eat, he goes and eat. If I say, you go get you some water, he go get some water. If I say, okay, I'm gonna let you outside and don't you get in that dirt, you just better go out there and do what you need to do and come on back in here. And I'm telling you, he has been like a joy in the sense of he's been doing everything I say. So I'll tell you a little bit about our little doggy, if we're going to be keeping him or anything like that, because we've only had him for probably, I want to say about 3 to 4 weeks that we've had him, and then he was kind of abused. So we're like his rescuers. We actually help him to take care of the poor little dog. And so we'll be talking a little bit about him. So this channel is going to be about just talking and enjoying and showing you different things to do, cooking, because I love to cook and I want to show you guys some of the stuff that I do. And I'm going to make this page fun and exciting. So guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm telling you, it's going to be fun. And then the interesting thing is they're trying to get me to do a TikTok, which I don't have a problem with doing TikTok because TikTok is something that I think is kind of funny or exciting or something like that, because we have a lot of people on there doing all kinds of stuff. And so I'll try to make it fun. But my page is about all kinds of exciting things. And I want you to come on and look at it and actually be excited about it. And I'm telling you, I'm going to have fun doing it. And you're going to have fun with me. Now, the other thing is that, well, I still can't get them. I still can't get them on page with me or anything like that. No one actually wants to be able to come on, and I'm okay with that. They don't have to, because I'm going to shake it up for you on my page, and we're going to have some fun learning all kinds of good stuff. So this is going to be a learn page about life, just enjoying it. And I'm going to be like putting something up like maybe every 2 to 3 days out of the week, so you can be able to come and be a part of the whole system with me. And I'm telling you guys, come on out. share with your friends and your family, and just enjoy the time with me that we're going to have together. Okay, guys? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And come on and be with LL, because this is Lampkin's line, and it's going to be exciting. Oh, and I forgot to say this before I actually let you go. Then I'm going to have my husband to come on. I'm going to let him give you some words of encouragement that's going to actually help you to be able to understand what is important in life. So he'll be able to come in and say something a little small on the end where you'll be able to really benefit and enjoy life. And I'm telling you, come out, guys, and be with me, because I'm actually really a lot of fun, and you're going to really enjoy it. So don't forget, guys, I'm going to say it again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Boom. Come on out with me. Take care now. You guys have a great time. Bye-bye.